Hi, I'm Tom McNeely, and today we're going to show you how to make a Negroni in less than 2 minutes. It's perfect. Hi, I'm Tom McNeely. It's just turned 12 o'clock. Let's get daytime drunk. Okay, in the time-honoured tradition of daytime drinking, we're going to drink Negronis, because Negronis are very, very short and very, very strong and very, very bitter, just like me. Okay, so a good Negroni has 3 parts. You want something bitter, you want something boozy, and you want something sweet. So for this we're going to use gin, Campari and sweet vermouth, which are... Here bitches! And to make it, you're going to need a mixing glass, a measure, a strainer, and a bar spoon. And it couldn't be simpler, you need equal parts of each. So we'll start with our gin. We're using Bombay Sapphire because we're classy. And for this we're going to do about 35 ml. This is for one, because you know, it's only 12 o'clock. This weekday you don't want to get too messed up. For the bitterness we're using Campari, we're going to use 35 ml again. And then our sweet vermouth, we're going to use Martini Rosso. There's better vermouths out there, but this is what we had in the cupboard. And again, 35 ml. If we've got this far without realising that equal measures means the same of everything. Into your mixer you want some ice. Today we'll be using needlessly fancy giant ice cubes. And you want to mix that up. Now mixing it is doing 2 things, both as important as each other. You're diluting the drink, which is going to make it more palatable, and it's also cooling it down. I'm going to move this out of the way because it's making a weird rattling noise. And you want to do this for about a minute. We'll cut to something. So that's it. After a minute you've diluted it, you've cooled it, you've got everything you need done there. You need to get yourself a nice glass. You get a nice glass, put it in the freezer, it looks fancy, you put a giant ice cube in it. Get your strainer, put it in the top of your mixing glass. And there we go. Now if you're feeling fancy, you can get yourself an orange. You can even put a twist of peel in the top of it. Or, you know, by this point, you want to get drinking. Bit of a squeeze of orange, shove it down the side, and there you go. Welcome to the good times. Okay, so that's how you make a Negroni. We're gonna go get daytime drunk, which is my favourite. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've enjoyed yourself, I've been Tom McNeely. Check me out on tommcneely.com. If you haven't, I've been Jamie Oliver.